Hi everybody, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here I have the Fourth Element Arctic Hoodie. So this is basically a hoodie that has been made out of Fourth Element's Arctic undersuit material. So if you're in the market for a really warm hoodie that works even whilst wet, low bulk but high warmth, then yeah, this is something that you should definitely consider. Let's take a closer look. Okay, so this is how it arrives in a nice paper bag. So recyclable. Again, very environmentally friendly. Inside, I'll just pull it out. So here's the hoodie itself, and the only thing that it really comes with is this little tag that just gives you some information about layering and the Arctic material. Superior low bulk for flexibility, performs even when wet, exceptional warmth post-dive, comfortable fit with a fleece inner, and just a little diagram about how the fabric works. So yeah, that's what arrives at your front door. Let's take a closer look at the hoodie itself. Okay, so taking a closer look at the hoodie, if we start off with the hood itself, so this has a slight peak to it, so it's going to lead sort of kind of over your forehead a little bit, so if there's sun bearing down or a little bit of drizzle, it's going to help sort of keep that out of your face. On the outside, so this is a dual material, so you have an inner fleece and then this outer protective layer. So the layer is quite good for repelling water, whereas the inner sort of soft fleece that's sort of against your skin, or especially over your head, this is what's good at sort of wicking moisture away and keeping you nice and dry. Then it pushes it out towards this external fabric, and then the fabric just sort of allows that to evaporate away. All the way around, so this is drawstring, and they've got this nice sort of plastic Fourth Element detailing on the end of these drawstrings. Zippered as well, so you can get in and out of it. You got a little sort of information about how to wash it just in the neck, and then this fleece material just continues throughout. Taking a look at the sleeves. So the sleeves, again, just more of the Arctic material, and then when you get down to the cuffs, it's just the rolled exterior. The fleece continues throughout all of the sleeve, but then when it gets to the very cuff, it just rolls over itself, so nice and soft against your hands, but you're still keeping warm. Over the chest, you have a very subtle Fourth Element logo, and that's kind of rubberized as well, just raised, which is quite nice. Moving down to the bottom of the hoodie, so you have fleece lined inner pockets, so a slightly different lining to the inside of the hoodie itself, and it's different to the external lining. This is a soft, quite plush lining. No zippered closure on there, but basically all of this square is a pocket, and you get the same on the left and right hand side. And then down at the bottom, much like the cuffs, it's just that rolled material. Turning it over, the only sort of detailing we really have on the back is just Fourth Element technical, just in the sort of the nape of your neck, and that's about it. Right, so that's the Fourth Element Arctic Hoodie. It's a hoodie, but it's made out of Fourth Element's undersuit, the Arctic undersuit material. I mean, personally, I wear my Arctic undersuit sort of when I'm around the house just to save on the heating bill, so it kind of makes sense just to turn it into an everyday hoodie that you can wear around the house, you can wear it out to town. It's not immediately obvious as a scuba diving hoodie, it's just a simple black hoodie made out of very warm and effective material. Even if the weather suddenly changes and it starts to drizzle on you, it works perfectly fine because the Arctic undersuit is designed to work when it's wet but still keep you warm so that you feel dry as well. So it ticks a lot of boxes. If you're in the market for a new hoodie, something to keep you really nice and warm even at the dive site, then yeah, definitely check it out. There's going to be more information on our website simplyscuba.com where you can buy it. There'll be a link down in the description below. Thank you for watching, and of course, safe diving.